My people. I beg, wait till Nato say Fubara, they go do for Supreme Court. Omo you get some people where una go look like this. Una go feel say they know politics. But when you look well, they know too now. Fubara of River State, if you know waiting good for you, no be to go court though, no be cha. You go court, you get power. You know who they rule the court? Everybody for River State, they under what they call am Wike. Now see, no, even though your case now white, then go turn am to black. Yes, even if your case now white, then go turn am to black. So we dey wonder why Fubara they go court. If in court say if Supreme Court failed to hear River State case before September 18, now wow, ma tell you how the thing they go. Chairman of Council of Legal Education, Chief Emeka Ngige-San, has warned that Governor Siminalayi Fubara risks losing his gubernatorialship if the Supreme Court failed to urgently hear the pending case on the River State policy crisis before September 18. Fubara, why you dey run? I been waiting Wike tell you. Ah God. You go just come off for seat, you know, go get relevant again. People go laugh you. They will look at you as a failure forever. If you allow this particular one slide, you go regret too. Allow not. If you allow this particular one slide, you will regret. But you know, say some people where they like this, you know if you advise them. You know if you advise them. When we would advise them now, they look us like, who are you? Who are you to advise me? My brothers, my sisters, Fubara go court. We know say now your godfathers them and your godmothers them, you they look their face. But try go court. No look anybody face. No look Uche face. No look anybody face. No look Uche face. You know. Yes, you know. You know waiting they saw. You know waiting they. Politics, na how it dey. We know say you get kwekwe leg, you get K leg. But you see Fubara, you need to man up. Speaking in a live coverage, now this man talk about if Fubara no show court before 18th of September, everything don't go. Ngige noted that the state of emergency declared in River State, which Fubara has challenged in court alongside 11 state governments, could lapse before the matter is heard, leaving the governor exposed to the same fate that before former Plateau State Governor Joshua Dariye during President Olusegun Obasanjo administration. You understand? But why him no one go? I venture into the River State emergency and I say the matter is in court and soft duty. The governor is suspended, has challenged. 11 state governments have challenged it. The federal government has filed their defense. So what is stopping the hearing of the case? So my recommendation is that the Supreme Court should, as a matter of urgency, whether they are on vacation or not, hear that matter immediately. The state of emergency will expire on 18th of September, Ngige stated. He cautioned the failure to hear the case will mirror the Plateau experience, where Dariye's suit against his suspension was dismissed as academic after the state of emergency have lapsed. We are now prejudging the outcome. The plaintiff may lose or they may win. I am not interested, but I don't want a situation of what happened in Plateau State to occur. By the time the matter was listed, the plaintiffs were left with preliminary objection that the matter has become academic. And even though the Supreme Court overruled that objection, on the other ground that they didn't sue the Attorney General of the Federation, the suit was struck out. You understand? My brothers, my sister, this case where cause show. It where cause show. Court duty in Nigeria should be disregarded as a no justice. The court and other government institutions are a private entity for now. You understand? But the matter know say nothing will last forever. The way court they operate for Nigeria now, we never understand. We never understand. Almost the 6 months suspension is coming to an end. Though. We are here. We are here. Some people are saying don't blame Ngige. He cite a resentment to educators. It's our duty to do the needful. He is in charge of judicial education. He has done his duty. If he didn't speak, his conscience will trouble him. Let the concerned do the needful. I mean, why are they not doing the needful? Fubara, is there something you are not telling us? Come and tell Nigeria, we'll come out for you. Onga Igige, we are in Nigeria, where sanity is alien and things are done according to the whims and caprices of power that be. This is a nation where individuals are labeled institutions that are not above the law of law. So don't label yourself. Nigeria will surely get to that level where justice will be dispensed according to matters who owes is ignored. Unfortunately, our generation may not be alive to witness that because Nigeria is goners. Ha ha ha. Hey, some people who were pretending to be fighting for democracy yesterday are now murdered and buried in just 2 years. Just 2 years. Fubara, the higher man, has educated you. He even had risked his judicial position, but wanted to educate us. So before the expired date, go back to that case. The judge has done his best, and difference between inaction and muteness, time will tell. You understand? What could Fubara have done? Remember that the military, police, and executive were all against him. It's just a well-calculated plan by Aso Rock and Wike to capture Rivers State. But Nigerians are watching. The new democracy in this administration is watching. Fail to Nigerian Supreme Court. They have failed this country. They have failed us. The Nigerian judicial system needs a purging and total overhauling. They are good in retrogressive postulation against the interests of the yet having clog of unattended serious cases. It is clear that is what they will do. Nigeria federal system of government executive, feeding and controlling all organs of the government. The judgment is already written down by the Attorney General or to be struck out as share. This government is a mistake, allegedly. State of emergency. Removal of elected governor. Is this constitutional in the first place, Ngige? We're asking you a question. You judges have sold the country to demons. And when I come, they preach with another mouth. Do we still have a judiciary system? Law is no longer law, and the hope of the justice is dead. He may lose his seat, but not his life. No this and no peace. Yes, he might lose his seat, but not his life. Stop coming to say he will lose his seat. It's just that some politicians don't even get shame. If na me, I go come on hand pata for na matter. Like Abdul Salam, former President Abdul Salam, wetin won't be, maybe. Nigeria does not have a Supreme Court. The current one is APC rig property, be informed. Do we have a court in Nigeria? The judges are in the palm hands of Wike as far as we are concerned. You understand? And this Mr. Ngige, and constitutional judge or whatever you call yourself, why would you just remember the case now since 5 months ago? You understand? Then, I respectively asked Chief Ngige Emeka, what is holding Supreme Court from hearing the case of Fubara? Is the Supreme Court no more supreme to hear the case, or are the hands of the Supreme Court tied down? If so, what are the rules of the SAN, especially Chief Ngige, playing to make sure that the case is urgently heard as expected? I am tired of this entire SAN. The judicial system have failed us. Fubara, the case dey your hand. Anything you want to do, you do. Nigeria are behind you. But no go fool yourself for old age. Shake it now.